Listen, if manifestation hasn't been working for you, if you feel like you are doing affirmations, scripting, visualizing, and nothing is changing, then this video might be the one that flips your reality. Because the 2-cup method is not just a technique, it's a decision. It's a way of telling your subconscious mind, I'm done living in the old story. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the correct way so it actually works. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Madhu, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, self-concept, and becoming the version of you who naturally attracts everything she wants. Now before we start, I want you to treat this video like a ritual, not something you half watch while scrolling. Because by the end of this, you'll know how to shift into a new reality in a way that feels real. So let's go. So what is the 2-cup manifestation technique? It's simple. You're going to use 2 cups of water to represent 2 different realities. 1 cup represents your current reality, your current situation, your current story. And the 2nd cup represents your desired reality, the life you want, the version of you who already has it. Now here's why this method is powerful. Because manifestation is not about hoping. Manifestation is about identity shift. It's about becoming the version of you who no longer thinks, feels, or acts like the old story. And the water in this method represents energy. It represents life. It represents acceptance. When you drink from cup 2, you are literally telling your mind, this is who I am now. But I'm going to be honest. Most people try this method and get no results. And it's not because the method doesn't work. It's because they do it like a TikTok trend. They pour the water, drink, and then go right back to anxiety, doubt, checking the clock. And the subconscious mind is like, okay, so you didn't actually shift. You're just playing a game. Let me tell you something that might change everything. You cannot drink cup 2 and still live like cup 1. The method only works when you make it mean something. And that's what I'm teaching you today. Now first of all, get 2 cups. Any cups. Glass, mug, plastic, doesn't matter. What matters is what they represent. Now in step 2, label the cups. This part is the secret. Cup 1, label it with your current reality. But don't write something vague like bad life. Be specific. Write the identity, not the situation. Like rejected, not chosen, or broke, or invisible, maybe unlucky, or always struggling, always waiting, or not good enough. And now in cup 2, write the identity you want to step into. For example, chosen, or loved, wealthy, confident, or powerful, successful, overflowing, magnetic. It always works out for me. Now listen, cup 2 has to be something your soul actually wants, not what people told you to want. Now in step 3, pour water into cup 1. As you do it, I want you to fully recognize something. This is your current energy. This is the current story you've been feeding. Now in step 4, hold cup 1 and for just a moment feel what it feels like to be in that reality. Not to suffer, but to acknowledge. Ask yourself, what have I been believing? What have I been repeating? What have I accepted as normal? And say out aloud, this is the old story. This is the version of me I am releasing. And now breathe. Because what you are about to do is powerful. Now pour the water into cup 2 slowly. As it pours, say it out aloud. I am shifting. I am selecting a new reality. I am no longer available for the old story. Now pause and say this. It's extremely important. I do not chase, I attract. I do not beg, I receive. I do not force, I allow. Because the cup 2 version of you doesn't struggle. She expects. Now in step 6, hold cup 2. And now you're going to do the part that actually manifests results. You are going to feel it. Not feel desperate. Not feel, I hope it happens. Feel like it is already done. Feel like you don't wonder if it's coming. You don't chase it. You don't stalk it. Or you don't worry about timing. Because you already are her. And say out aloud, I am the version of me who has it. It is safe for me to receive. I am chosen and things work out for me. And then lastly, drink from cup 2, slowly, like it matters, because it does. And as you drink, repeat, I accept this reality. This is my life now. Thank you. And when you finish the water, it's done. And now, here's where most people ruin it. They do the ritual and then they go right back to doubt, checking, waiting, spiraling, repeating the old identity. No, if you do this method, you must follow one rule. For the next 24 hours, you are not allowed to speak the old story. Not in your mind, not in your mouth, and not in your energy. If your brain tries to go back, you tell your brain, that was cup 1. I am cup 2 now. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest what you normalize. Normalize cup 2. Sometimes results come fast. Sometimes they come in a different form first. Here are signs it is working. You feel calmer. You stop obsessing. You feel more confident. Things start moving. And you start seeing synchronicities. And you randomly feel it's done. That's peace. That's your subconscious accepting a new identity. So if you are ready to shift into cup 2 life, comment below, I am cup 2. And if you want, tell me what your cup 2 label is. I reply to comments and I love reading them. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications because I post manifestation videos every week and we are building the version of you who doesn't just manifest. She receives.